Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 807 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this Iconic London Illuminator that I just got in my April 2020 Boxycharm box. So I will of course have that unboxing video linked in the description down below. But I was really excited to get this because I really like the brand Iconic London. I'm pretty new to it, but it has been really impressing me. And this has a retail value of $41, which I think is pretty expensive. My Boxycharm box only cost $25, so I feel like I got an amazing deal, and I'm all about deals. And I have not even swatched this yet. So it has a little dropper. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little spot on my hand so we can see the swatch. This says, I believe the shade is original. And, oh, that's beautiful. I kind of thought that it might be a little bit too tan for me, but now seeing it blended out, it's like a champagne shade that has a silver shine to it. So that is actually a beautiful glow that I think will work really nicely on my skin tone. That is so pretty. All right, so you can probably tell that I don't have any makeup on right now, and I'm gonna try mixing this in with my foundation. So I'm gonna take my Tarte Face Tape foundation. I have the shade Fair Light Neutral, and I chose this because it's a pump. So I'm just gonna take one pump onto the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna take with my dropper. Let's see, I don't wanna do too many, but I don't wanna do not enough. So I'm gonna do come on, ooh, that was a really big drop. 2 drops into my foundation and just mix it all together with my finger. I love mixing liquid highlighters like this into my body lotion for doing beautiful body highlights, or primer, face moisturizer, or foundation. You know, this might be a little too much, but I think I'm gonna add a 3rd drop. And hope that I'm really, really glowy. So I'm also gonna try this alone as a highlighter, but I really wanted to see how this is mixed in with foundation because that's how they recommend using it. And then I'll just blend that out with my makeup sponge. It looks like it mixed very nicely into the foundation, and it's still blending out easily the same way my foundation normally does. And I was a little worried that I may have added too much of the liquid highlighter to my foundation, that it was going to look really sparkly, but it doesn't actually. I think I could have even added more. Wow. Honestly, this is not really looking any different. I think that does look pretty. There is a glow, a slight dewiness to my skin, but there is no shimmer sparkle, so that's great. It looks like healthy radiance. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more, so I'm gonna do a half a pump so that I can apply a little bit more to where I want to build up some more coverage, and maybe add a little bit more glow as well, because I'm gonna add 3 pumps of this highlighter mixed in with half a pump of foundation. If you want to see my full dedicated review video that I did on my Tarte Face Tape foundation, I will have that linked down below in the description because I love this foundation. This should be pretty glowy now, this concoction that I made. So I'm gonna add a little bit more to my cheeks, to my chin. I guess might as well just apply it everywhere. Okay, yes, now you can see there's more of a noticeable shine and a glow. Oh my gosh, that is pretty. That is definitely noticeably radiant. That's kind of what I was expecting. So you actually have to apply a lot of the liquid highlighter, the Illuminator, to the foundation if you want to get this shine to the skin. But if you want a subtle glow, then add less. I like that it's actually very easy to build it up and get the amount of glow that you want. Like the amount that I have now honestly looks a little bit too shiny, where it's verging on oily, but I'm just glad to see that it really can be built up. Oh my gosh, I kind of love it. And let's see, as far as the color, I think it did add a little bit of bronziness to my skin, but not enough where it like altered my foundation where it doesn't match me anymore. But I am noticing that I'm kind of loving this slight bronzed up tint to my skin. But then this glow, okay, this looks amazing. Like the texture on my skin is smooth, skin-like. It looks absolutely beautiful. I love this. I want my skin to look like this all the time. Wow. I feel like it just reflects the light from wherever the light hits it. Looks so healthy, youthful. Wow. Okay, I am obsessed with this combination right now. But even though I already feel like I am almost looking like a glazed donut, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a couple drops directly to my cheeks. Let's just go with 2 drops, not gonna go too crazy yet, and blend that out as a liquid highlight. I love this color. I'm so pleasantly surprised that it gets light enough to work on my very fair skin tone, but then it also has a little bit of bronziness, so I feel like it increases the range of skin tones that this can work for. And it has very neutral tone to it, so it's not like too warm or too cool toned. It's beautiful. And I think that blended out beautifully on top of my foundation. And oh, it just like melts into the foundation, into the skin, and looks so pretty. It's a little bit hard to see just how glowy it is because I already had so much shimmer and glow on my face already, but you can see a bit of a difference. This side with just the Illuminator blended out on the cheeks versus the foundation Illuminator. It did make it a little bit more blinding and reflective and beautiful. So I don't even feel like that is too over the top. I think it goes really well with the rest of the makeup, which is already glowy and shiny. And then you just add a little extra shine and reflection to the cheeks or wherever you want to highlight. And it almost makes it more cohesive and natural when the highlight shade just matches the rest of my face. It's so easy to just blend out with my finger. There's no texture left behind, so that is so awesome. For some reason, the look on my face is reminding me of when I did my video where I tried out all of my highlighters at once. I applied all of the highlighters that I own on my face at the same time, and I was pretty much glowing like I am now. I love that video. I will have that link down below if you haven't seen it. But I feel like you can really never have too much glow. Like, I love this finished look, I feel so beautiful and radiant. And I think I'm gonna make this a part of my daily makeup routine of adding a bunch of drops to my foundation because I'm so happy. Like, I think this skin looks amazing. I don't have any other makeup on. I don't have brows, eyeshadow, mascara, even concealer, but I still feel like confident in my skin right now because it just looks so good. So if you got the Iconic London Illuminator, I highly recommend just going all out, adding a bunch of drops to whatever product you're putting on your face, and I think it'll look beautiful. I'm also really excited to use this on my body once, if it doesn't even seem like that's in the near future at all, but once I start wearing clothing that shows skin, or if I'm going somewhere where I'm wearing clothing that shows some skin, I want to incorporate this into my body lotion to add shimmer there. And so if you've tried this product out, let me know your favorite ways to use it. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.